what does deber actually mean? This is a good question. This person asks, does it mean should or must? This is interesting. So deber comes from, it's related to the word debt. And debt is when you owe something. And when you owe something, then you must do it. And so deber just means must, as in like to must, right? I must do it. But the reason why it means should is because when you conjugate it in the would tense or the conditional, well, then you get would must. And to would must something is to should it. I hope that made sense. But in the conditional, this would sort of ending to add ia, when you do it for deber, linguistically in Spanish, you get would must. But in English, we don't say would must, do we? We just say should, right? You should do it, right? And so that's kind of how that works. And the same thing applies to could, right? Poder is the verb to be able to, and would be able to is the same thing as could, right? He would be able to do it. He could do it. Same thing. And so it's the same logic there, right? Just like a poder, you add the ia conjugation to make it podría, to make it the would form. In the same way, you do that for deber to get debería, and in debería, you get the would must, or otherwise known as should. Okay, and so deber related to debt, to owe something, and if you owe it, then you must do it, right? And so that's kind of the connection you can make for that. Okay,